All right, who's ready for a brand new 30-day challenge? I think a lot of you are ready because I get a request to make a new 30-day challenge literally every day, multiple times a day from multiple different people. And I know I've been procrastinating just because it's a lot of work to put these challenges together, but I'm super happy to let you know that September 1st, 2025, we will be hosting our next 30-day morning YOGALATES challenge. So doing something a little bit different. This is a morning yoga challenge with a little bit of Pilates in every single class. These are 10 to 15 minutes long. So similar to my other morning yoga challenge, you guys seem to really like that period of time or that length of class. It's easy to fit into the schedule. But yeah, we're doing a fusion of yoga and Pilates. I am making this challenge as all levels accessible as possible, doing my very best at least to do so. And I didn't use any props in any of the classes of this challenge. So don't feel like you have to go buy anything. You're really good with whatever you have at home. So 10 to 15 minutes in the morning is all you need. It will be a healthy mix of yoga and Pilates. If you've never done Pilates before, please don't stress. You don't need any prior Pilates experience. I'll break everything down. Hopefully you will give it a try, even if you are new either to my 30-day challenges. Maybe this will be the first time that you're participating and trying to stick to something, committing to something every day for 30 days. It is no small feat. Maybe it'll be your first time attempting Pilates. So I hope you'll come into it with an open mind, an open heart. September 1st, the first video will go live on YouTube, 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All the classes will be released one a day at 6 a.m. Eastern Time. Although those of you who are members of my Yoga with Kassandra mobile app, you will get access to all 30 classes right away on September 1st. Probably actually August 31st is when they'll all be uploaded and added to the mobile app. So mobile app, you don't need it. Don't worry about it. Everything will be released for free on YouTube. The advantage of the mobile app is you'll get everything released right away. So maybe for your time zone, that works a little bit better. There are also no ads in the mobile app, and you can also download the classes for offline viewing. Again, it's not necessary. Don't feel like you need the mobile app. You can just join us right here on YouTube and follow along. For those of you who are really looking to kick things up a notch and September, you're looking for a big reset, something you could also do is to pair this with the evening yoga challenge I released probably like 4 years ago by now. I'm getting so confused in all the challenges that I've done, but I did do like a bedtime yoga challenge. So these were 10 to 15-minute classes, a mix of slow flows and yin yoga classes, really passive, restorative type flows meant to set you up for a great night's sleep. So if you wanted to do a morning yoga and Pilates challenge, as well as an evening yoga stretch challenge, you could definitely do that. The great thing about the evening challenge is all the classes are already available on YouTube. I released this a few years ago, so I will link to all of that down below in the description of this video. And I hope you're excited. I hope you're excited. I hope you'll join me. If you do want a little bit of accountability as well, you can sign up to the challenge. I'll again post the link to that down below just to sign up to the email prompt. So every day I'll send you a little email with a little bit of information, the link to the class, and just any other messages from me as well. That can be a good way to make sure that you stay on top of things and that you stay committed for the entirety of the 30 days. And if you are watching this video in the future and we are past September 1st, rest assured all of these classes stay available forever on my channel. So if you miss the September 1st, 2025 deadline, don't worry about it. You can just hop in at any time and follow along. Same thing with the mobile app. It lives in there forever. All right. I hope you'll join. I hope you're excited. I'm excited. I'm nervous. It's going to be fun. So we begin in just a couple of weeks. I will see you then. Until then, subscribe, do my other videos, and I will see you on the mat bright and early, September 1st, 2025 for the 30-day morning YOGALATES challenge.